Disclaimer. The videos are purely for educational purposes. The intention is to guide the students to fare well in their term examinations of their professional courses. I will not be contacting any of the subscribers or followers with messages regarding private tutoring or any money transactions. If anybody does message you, please report them and block them immediately. Professor K.M channel will not be responsible for the actions by the imposters with the same name.
Welcome to my channel. I am Professor K.M. Mahadevappa, a faculty for Master of Arts Public Administration in the Indira Gandhi National Open University for the last 30 years. Today, for the benefit of the students of public administration, I have taken one of the questions of MPA-017 governance, where the students are required to answer each of the questions that are being asked with 400 words. I have taken one of the questions that had appeared in June 2011, and the question is: examine the role and significance of ICT in women empowerment. The marks that is allotted for e-governance is 50, and the maximum words that need to be written by the students is 400 words. Based on this, I have made an answer for this question for the benefit of the students, so that the students can repeatedly go through that and try to memorize at least 400 to 425 words in order to repeat the same in the examination that they are likely to appear for. And as per the procedure that is being followed in Indira Gandhi National Open University, all the students are supposed to write assignments first before appearing for the examination, which is compulsory. And as such, I would rather advise students to see that they answer the assignments without fail to the maximum extent, since they do not have any sort of conditions with respect to their answers for the questions that are being asked. And if you write the maximum words in the respective assignments, you are likely to get good marks in the assignment. And as far as the term examination is concerned, you are left with 2 hours. It is for 2 hours, and by virtue of the experience, a student can write 20 words per minute, and that being there, you need to answer each of them within 20 to 25 minutes. And that being there, I have just made a replay of 580 to 80 words. I will just go through that. The question is: examine the role and significance of ICT in women empowerment. Digitization is a process of converting information into a digital format. Information and communication technology, that is ICT, is an effective tool in efficient governance, good governance, sustainable development, social empowerment, and in developing human resources. ICTs can improve women's activities in the field of trade, governance, education, health, as well as in informal sector. Teleporting, flexi time, work from home opportunities are some of the gender-based dimensions of ICTs. The following are some of the advantages offered by ICT to women. ICT has given women the opportunity to work from home. It has given the freedom to people to operate from the comfort of their own houses. It is helping in knowledge dissemination and enables women to know about the day-to-day happenings of the country as well as in other countries. Quality of education has increased literacy level, awareness, and confidence levels among women have improved significantly. Learning has become hassle-free and enables women to learn at their own comfort after finishing household chores. E-governance initiatives have made life of women easy. It is now easy to get surveys like birth certificates, income certificates, and all necessary certificates online. Loss of wage and bribes and the requirement to travel long distance to get the certificates are all eliminated. Emails, chat, and voice over internet protocol have connected people in rural areas to connect with their kith and kin in abroad and faraway places. Some people use these services to get job opportunity abroad also. Timely information through facilities like video conferencing for getting information from experts of different fields like agriculture, eye care, astrology, nutritional information, prenatal care are available to women, especially Muslim women who restrict themselves to their houses can now freely get information available over internet. Women have challenges in ICT and they are firstly, women fall into the category of less informed and the main hurdle that prevents women from accessing information is illiteracy. Secondly, civil society and government are not utilizing the full potential of ICT in women empowerment. Thirdly, ICTs come at a financial cost, and women in India have, on an average, meager income and have no power in the household to invest in these technologies. Fourthly, ICTs also depend upon facilities like electricity, telephone lines, internet gateways, etc., in rural areas. Fifthly, linguistic barriers prevent knowledge available on the internet to get disseminated to the poorest and illiterate section of the society. Sixthly, there is a lack of trained human resources to handle technology. Way forward, ICTs are for everyone, and women should have to be an equal beneficiary, par with men, and there should be concerted efforts by government agencies to create these opportunities and provide incentives for women to participate and benefit from these networking processes. Access to ICT should be involved in the lives of women by empowering them to participate in the social and economic progress about the issues affecting them. A few women have reached positions at the decision making level, and government should take efforts to improve women by involving them in various communication media like electronic, print, visual, and audio, tele-education, and telemedicine, internet exercise, etc. So, this is the reply for the question on women empowerment. I wish you all the best, and please ensure that whenever you are preparing for any answer in e-governance, which is going to be for 50 marks, you need to see that each of the questions has to be prepared, answered to be prepared by you with minimum 500 words, so that by repeatedly going through that, you should be able to memorize around 400 to 425 words to fare yourself better and get distinctive marks. All the best and thank you.